Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Irma Kaprimadani. You can call me Irma. Today, I'd like to present my research article. The title, The Impact of the Educable Application on Student Vocabulary Mastery. Okay, the first I will explain about the introduce. Vocabulary mastery is the ability to understand, remember, and use correctly the communicated. It is very important in the learning English because vocabulary helps students express their idea and understand information. To the Ramadani et al. 2016, the students with high language skills are the more likely to communicate and understand information effectively. According to Widodo et al. 2022, vocabulary mastery is the ability to convert, use, and apply a collection of the words in a language to communicate through idea and emotion. Because vocabulary is the foundation of the communicated, students who lack basic vocabulary knowledge are unable to construct actively sentence or to express themselves correctly. Okay, the next slide I will present about the method. Type of the research. The present investigation took a quantitative method with a pre-experimental design. In this study, the research used on one group pre-test and post-test technique to evaluate the educable application is impact on student vocabulary mastery. Time and place research. The research was conducted between August 4 and August 19. The research was carried out at Mount Kodagal. Okay, the next slide, research target or subject. 35 students of the class 98 at Mount Kodagal. The procedure. The first, the research gave a pre-test to the mentioned student until vocabulary mastery. The second, the research gave the treatment using the educable application through interactive vocabulary activities. The three, the research gave a post-test measure a student vocabulary mastery after the treatment. The final, the data were analyzed using prior sample tests with SPSS to find out whether there was a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test score. The next slide, data instrument and data collection technique. The first, data student vocabulary score from pre-test and post-test. The second, instrument vocabulary test in the form of multiple choice question. This is a multiple choice question is the part of the 13 question. Data collection technique. The result of the news pre-test and post-test. Pre-test to measure student intellectual vocabulary mastery. Post-test to measure student vocabulary mastery after using Educable. And then the last, data analysis technique, normality test. The result of the using Shapiro-Wilk test. Signification level 0.05. If 6 less 0.05 data are normality distribution. Hypothesis test. The result of the using prior sample test. The compare pre-test and post-test score. If 6 to title less 0.05, there is a significant difference. Okay, the next slide, result and discussion. The mean score of the pre-test was 52.77, indicating that student vocabulary mastery before the treatment was relatively moderate. After the implementation of the vocabulary application, the mean score improved to 64.63 in the post-test. They indicate that the student vocabulary mastery improved after the treatment. The improvement between the pre-test and post-test mean score was 11.186 points. show a positive impact on the educable application on student vocabulary learning. To found it whether in improving with signification a pair sample test was conducted using SPSS variation 26. The relation showed that the signification value 6 to with 0.000, which is lower than the signification level of 0.05. This indicates that there is a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test score. Therefore, it can call that the use of the educable application significantly improve student vocabulary mastery. Okay, the next slide. Conclusion. The basis of the relation of the study can be concluded that the use of the educable improves student vocabulary mastery. The students show better relation after the treatment, which can be seen from the Hanger post-test score compared to the pre-test score. They indicate that educable can make vocabulary learning more interactive and interesting for students. Therefore, the educable can be used as an active learning media to help students improve their English vocabulary mastery. Okay, that's all for me to the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.